solve x plus 5 minus 1 dy equal to x plus y plus 1 dx, x plus y plus 1 dx. That implies dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 by x plus y minus 1, x plus y plus 1 by x plus y minus 1. Here also a by a dash equal to b by b dash, ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y, non-homogeneous dE, non-homogeneous dE, whereas a by a dash equal to b by b dash. Now put x plus y equal to v. That implies 1 plus dy by dx equal to dv by dx. That implies dy by dx equal to dv by dx minus 1. Therefore dy by dx equal to dv by dx minus 1 equal to v plus 1 by v minus 1. dv by dx equal to 1 plus v plus 1 by v minus 1. v minus 1 LCM. v minus 1 plus v plus 1 by v minus 1. 1 cancelled. Variable separable. v minus 1 by 2v dv equal to dx. That implies integral v by 2v, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by v dv equal to integral dx. Okay. 1 by 2 integral dv, 1 by 2 vv, 1 by 2 log v x plus c1. 2 cross multiplication. v minus log v equal to 2x plus 2c1. v minus log v equal to 2x plus 2c1. Whereas v equal to x plus y, log v log x plus y, 2x plus 2c1. That is y minus x minus log x plus y equal to constant. That is solution of x plus y minus y dy equal to x plus y plus 1 of dx. That implies dy by dx equal to x plus y plus 1 by x plus y minus 1. That is v plus 1 by x plus y equal to v. 1 plus dy by dx equal to dv by dx. dy by dx equal to dv by dx minus 1. Therefore dv by dx minus 1 equal to v plus 1 by v minus 1. dv by dx equal to 1 plus v plus 1 by v minus 1. 1 cancelled. v minus 1 by 2v dv equal dx. Integrating on both sides we get 1 by 2 equal dv v, 1 by 2 log v x plus c1. v means x plus y, 2 cross multiplication. That is y minus x minus log x plus y equal to constant c. That is Roman number 2nd. First one, solve the following differential equations. Solve the following differential equations. Solve dy by dx equal to 3y minus 7x plus 7 by 3x minus 7y minus 3. 3x minus 7y minus 3. Okay. dy by dx equal to 3y minus 7x plus 7 by 3x minus 7y minus 3. That implies dy by dx equal to ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. That implies non-homogeneous dE, non-homogeneous dE with a by a dash not equal to b by b dash, minus 7 by 3 minus 3 by not equal to, a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. Therefore, that implies put x equal to capital X plus h, y equal to capital Y plus k. X equal to x plus h, y equal to capital Y plus k. That implies dy by dx equal to capital dy by dx, dy by dx equal to minus 7 into x plus h plus 3 into y plus k plus 7 by 3 into x plus h minus 7 into y plus k minus 3. Okay, that implies dy by dx equal to minus 7x plus 3y plus minus 7h plus 3k plus 7 by 3x minus 7y, 3h minus 7k minus 3, 3h minus 7k minus 3. Okay. Now, constant terms becomes 0. That implies minus 7h plus 3k plus 7 equal to 0. Next, 3h minus 7k minus 3 equal to 0. Solving these two equations, we get h comma k, that is 3 7 h coefficient minus 7 3. Here also minus 7 minus 3 3 minus 7, h k 1. That implies h by minus 7 plus 49, k by 21 minus 21, 1 by 49 minus 9. That implies h equal to 40 by 40, 1, k equal to 0 by 40, 0. Therefore, h comma k equal to 1 comma 0. Now, equation becomes dy by dx equal to minus 7x plus 3y by 3x minus 7y. That is homogeneous dE. First given equation 3y minus 7x plus 7 by 3x minus 7y minus 3. That implies dy by dx equal to order lo raseyandi minus 7x plus 3y plus 7 by 3x minus 7y minus 3. That is ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash. Next, non-homogeneous dE, that is a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. Therefore, put x equal to small x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k, dy by dx equal to minus 7x plus h, 3 into y plus k plus 7 by 3 into capital X plus h minus 7 into capital Y plus k minus 3, minus 7x plus 3y remaining constant, 3x minus 7y remaining constant. These constant terms must be 0. Then solving these two equations we get h comma g k. 3 first k coefficient 3 constant, h coefficient minus 7 constant, k coefficient. Next, k coefficient minus 7 constant minus 3, h coefficient 3, k coefficient minus 7, h by ad minus bc, k by ad minus bc, constant by ad minus bc. Thus, in that process we get h equal to 1, k equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus 7x plus 3y by 3x minus 7y. Therefore, homogeneous equation. Therefore, put y equal to Vx, y equal to Vx, we get, put y equal to Vx, we get dy by dx equal to V plus x into dv by dx, V plus x into dv by dx. Substitute in equation 1, we get V plus x into dv by dx equal to minus 7x plus 3 into Vx, 3x minus 7 into Vx from 1, equation 1. We get x into dv by dx x common out, minus 7 plus 3v, x cancel, 3 minus 7v minus v. X into dv by dx, minus 3v plus 3v cancel, minus 7 plus 7v square by 3 minus 7v. That implies variable separable. Minus common out, 7v minus 3 by 7v square minus 7 dv equal to dx by x. Minus common out, 7v minus 3, 7v square minus 7v square, 7v square minus 7, no, as it is wrong, 3 minus 7v. Now, variable separable, cross multiplication, 3 minus 7v by 7v square minus 7. Put y equal to vx, we get 3 minus 7v by 7v square minus 7 dv equal dx by x. That is 7 common out, 1 by 7, 3 by v square minus 1 minus 7v by v square minus 1 dv equal to dx by x. 7 cross multiplication, 7 cross multiplication, integral 3 by v square minus 1, 2v, 2 to multiplication and division, 2v by v square minus 1 dv, 7 into integral dx by x, 1 by v square minus 1, 1 by 2 log v minus 1 by v plus 1 minus 7 by 2 log v square minus 1 because f dash x by f of x, 7 log x plus log c plus constant log c. 3 by v square minus 1 means 3 into 1 by integral 1 by x square minus a square formula 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, f dash x by f of x, integral f dash x by f of x log mod f of x minus 7 by 2 log mod v square minus 1 equal to 7 log x plus log c. Next 3 by 2 log v means v equal to y by x, v means y by x minus 1, y by x plus 1 log y square by x square minus 1 log constant into x power 7. Here y equal to vx, of course y x cancel, 3 by 2 log y minus x by y plus x minus 7 by 2 log y square minus x square by x square log c into x power 7. Okay. 2 cross multiplication. Next y equal to y plus k, x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k, h1 k0, y equal to y plus k, h equal to x plus h. 2 cross multiplication, 3 into log y plus k, x means x plus h, y plus k, x plus h, minus 7 into y square, y plus k whole square, x plus 1 whole square, x square, x plus 1 whole square, 2 into log c into x power 7. Here x power 7 means x plus h whole power 7. That means 3 into log y minus x minus 1, x plus y plus 1 minus 7 into log y square minus x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, 2 power log log c square x plus 1 power 14. That is solution of given differential equation. Here x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k, whereas h equal to 1, k equal to 0. Here also x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. From starting we can solve these two equations అని చెప్పుకున్నాం. అక్కడ h equal to 1 and k equal to 0. Therefore 3 log y minus x minus 1 by x plus y plus 1 minus 7 log y square minus x plus 1 whole square by x plus 1 whole square equal to log c square x plus 1 power 14. That is problem number third Roman first one. Solve. dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to 6x plus 5y minus 7 by 2x plus 18y minus 14. 2x plus 18y minus 14. ax plus by plus c by a dash x plus b dash y plus c dash by c dash. Okay. A by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. Therefore, this is non-homogeneous dE with a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. Okay. A by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. That implies next case 3, non-homogeneous differential equation case 3. Now put x equal to capital X plus h, small y equal to capital Y plus k. Therefore d capital Y by d capital X equal to 6 into capital X plus h, 5 into capital Y plus k minus 7 by 2 into capital X plus h plus 18 into capital Y plus k minus 14. That implies dy by dx equal to 6x plus 5y plus 6h plus 5k minus 7 by 2x plus 18y plus 2h plus 18k minus 14. Okay. These constants becomes 0. That implies 6h plus 5k minus 7 equal to 0. 2h plus 18k minus 14 equal to 0. Solving these two equations we get h comma k. Five k coefficient 5 constant minus 7 h coefficient 6 5. Similarly 18 minus 14 2 18 h k 1 h by minus 70 minus into minus plus 8 in 7s 126 k by minus 9 plus 84 1 by 108 minus 10 1 by 108 minus 10. That implies h by 56 k by 75 1 by 98. That implies h comma k equal to 56 4 by 7 8 sevens 56 4 by 7 14 fours 14 sevens. Next 75 by 98 75 by 98. That means 75 by 98 2x plus 18y 2x plus 18y minus 14 5 minus 7 6 5. Similarly 18 minus 14 2 18 h by minus 70 18 sevens plus 126, k by minus 14, yeah, minus 7 into 2 minus 14 plus 84, 1 by 108 minus 10, that is here 70, 70 by 98, 10 by 14, that is 5 by 7, 5 by 7, 4 by 7 comma 5 by 7. Therefore, equation becomes dy by dx equal to 6x plus 5y by 2x plus 18y, because this part becomes 0, that implies h equal to 4 by 7, k equal to 5 by 7. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 6x plus 5y by 2x plus 18y. This is homogeneous dE, homogeneous dE. Therefore, put y equal to Vx, put y equal to Vx. That implies dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx equal to 6x plus 5 into Vx by 2x plus 18 into Vx, x cancelled, v plus x into dv by dx equal to 6 plus 5v by 2 plus 18v. That implies x into dv by dx equal to 6x plus 6 plus 5v by 2 plus 18v minus v. That implies x into dv by dx equal to 6 5v minus 2v, 3v minus 18v square by 2 plus 18v. Variable separable, 2 plus 18v by 6 plus 3v minus 18v square dv equal to dx by x, dx by x. Next, integrating on both sides, y equal to vx, dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx, 6x plus 5vx, 2x plus 18vx, x cancelled. That implies integral 2 common out, 1 plus 9v by minus 18v square plus 3v plus 6 dv equal to integral dx by x minus 36v 3v, okay, minus 36v 3v undali numerator lo, okay na, or perfect square converted into perfect square, minus common out, otherwise or minus common out, 9v plus 1 by 3 common out, 6v square minus v minus 2, 6v square minus v minus 2 dv dx by x minus 2 by 3 12, 9v plus 1 by 6 12 fractions, 6v square 12 means minus 4v plus 3v minus 2 dv dx by x. That implies minus 2 by 3, 9v plus 1, 3v minus 2, 2v common out, 3v minus 2, 2v plus 1, 3v minus 2, 2v plus 1, 3v minus 2 dv dx by x. Partial fractions. From here, partial fractions. Take 9v plus 1 by 2v plus 1, 3v minus 2 equal to a by first factor plus b by second factor, a by first factor, b by second factor. Taking LCM, we get 9v plus 1 by 2v plus 1, 3v minus 2, that is a into 3v minus 2 plus b into 2v plus 1 by 2v plus 1, 3v minus 2. LCMs cancel. LCMs cancel. Next, put v equal to 2v plus 1. Here 2v plus 1 minus 1 by 2. Put v equal to minus 1 by 2. We get minus 9 by 2 plus 2. Minus 7 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 minus 2. Minus 7 by 2a. Minus 1 plus 1 0. That implies a equal to 1. Next, comparing v, coefficients of v, we get 9 equal to 3a plus 2b. 3a plus 2b. a1, that implies b equal to 6 by 2 3. Therefore, problem becomes minus 2 by 3, a by 1 by 2v plus 1, 3 by 3v minus 2 dv equal to integral dx by x. Minus 2 by 3 cross multiplication, minus 1 by 3 integral 2 by 2v plus 1, minus 2 by 3 integral 3 by 3v minus 2 dv dx by x. Dx by 1 by 2v plus 1 multiply and divide with 2. F dash x by f of x log mod f of x. F dash x by f of x log mod f of x. Dx by x log x. Log 2v plus 1 minus 2 by 3 log 3v minus 2 log x plus log c. Minus 1 by 3 log v means y by x, minus 2 by 3 log v means y by x. Next, x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. X means 4 by 7 or 5 by 7. X equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. X equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. Okay now, that means here capital X, capital H, that implies capital X equal to x minus h, capital Y equal to y minus k, capital X equal to x plus x minus h, capital Y equal to y minus k. Therefore, minus 1 by 3 log 2 into y minus k by x minus h plus 1 minus 2 by 3 into log 3 into y minus k by x minus h minus 2 log c into x minus h, whereas h comma k starting 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 5 by 7 and 4 by 7. That is problem number 2. Okay, long answer one. dy by dx plus dy by dx plus 10x plus 8y minus 12 by 7x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. dy by solve dy by dx plus 10x plus 8y minus 12 by 7x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. That implies dy by dx equal to minus 10x plus 8y minus 12 by 7x plus 5y minus 9. This is non-homogeneous dE, whereas a by a dash not equal to b by b dash, 10 by 7 not equal to 8 by 5. Okay na? Therefore, put y equal to, put x equal to small x equal to x plus h, small y equal to y plus k. That implies dy by dx equal to minus 10 into x plus h plus 8 into y plus k minus 12 by 7 into x plus h plus 5 into y plus k minus 9. Because non-homogeneous dE a by a dash not equal to b by b dash. Therefore, x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k, dx equal to dx, dy equal to dy. Therefore, d capital Y by d capital X equal to minus 10 into x plus h, 8 into y plus k, 7 into x plus h, y 5 into y plus k. That implies d capital Y by d capital X equal to minus 10x plus 8y plus 10h plus 8k minus 12 by 7x plus 5y plus 7h plus 5k minus 9. 7h plus 5k minus 9. This is constant part, therefore equal to 0. Now 10h plus 8k minus 12 equal to 0, 7h plus 5k minus 9 equal to 0. Solving these two equations we get h comma k. Solving these two equations we get h comma k. That implies first 8 minus 12 10 8 దీంట్లో 5 minus 9 7 5 h by minus 72 plus 60 k by minus 84 plus 90 1 by 50 minus 56 50 minus 56 minus 84 plus 90. Therefore, k by minus 12, h by minus 12, k by 6, 1 by minus 6. That implies h equal to 2, k equal to minus 1. h equal to 2, k equal to minus 1. d capital Y by d capital X equal to 10x minus 10x plus 8y by 7x plus 5y. Okay, that is homogeneous dE. Homogeneous dE. Non-homogeneous dE converted to homogeneous dE. Next, put y equal to Vx. That implies dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Here v plus x into dv by dx minus 10x plus 8 into vx by 7x plus 5 into vx, x into dv by dx by minus 10 plus 8v by 7 plus 5a minus v. That implies x into dv by dx equal to 7 plus 5v LCM minus 10 minus 7v minus 8v minus 15v minus 7v minus 8 minus 15 minus 10 minus 5v square minus 5v square. Now variable separable 5v plus 7 by minus common out 5v square plus 15v plus 10 dv equal to dx by x. 5v plus 7 by minus common out 5v square plus 15v plus 10 equal to dx by x. Here solving these two equations we get h comma k, that is h equal to 2, k equal to 1 minus 1, h equal to 2, k equal to minus 1. Now 5v plus 7 by minus 5v square plus 15v plus 10 dv equal to dx by x. Next 1 by minus 5, 5v plus 7 by minus 5 v square plus 3v plus 2 dv dx by x. 5v plus 7 by factorization v plus 2 into v plus 1 minus 5 into dx by x, because minus 5 cross multiplication. V part 5v plus 7 by v plus 2 into v plus 1. Now partial fractions. Partial fraction, take 5v plus 7 by v plus 2 into v plus 1, that is a by v plus 2, b by v plus 1, LCMs cancel. 5v plus 7 by v plus 2 into v plus 1, a into v plus 1 and b into v plus 2, v plus 1 into v plus 2 cancelled. Put v equal to minus 2, we get minus 10 plus 7 minus 3, minus 2 plus 1 minus a plus 0, a equal to 3. Similarly, put v equal to minus 1, v equal to minus 1, we get 2, 0, b equal to 2. Therefore, problem becomes 2. Therefore, from 1, a by v plus 2, 3 by v plus 2, b 2, okay na, b by 2 by v plus 1 dv minus 5 dx by x, that is 3 into log v plus 2, 2 into log v plus 1 minus 5 into log x plus log c. That implies log v plus 2 whole cube, v plus 1 whole square, log c by x power 5. Logarithms cancel. V means y by x, y by x, x LCM, y plus 2x, 2x plus y whole square, x plus y whole square, x square, x power 4, 1x cancel, c by x. But x equal to, capital X equal to x minus h, that is h equal to 2, already find out chesam. Capital Y equal to small y minus k, that is y plus 1. Substitute x equal to x minus h, x minus 2. Y equal to y minus k, that is y plus 1. X plus y, 2 into x minus 2, small x, y, y plus 1. X plus y, x minus 2 plus y plus 1 whole square, whole cube, v plus 2 whole cube, x cube x cancel, x power 5 cancel, whole cube, whole square equal to constant. Okay, x minus 2, x plus x minus 2, y plus y plus 1. That implies 2x plus y minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 whole cube, x plus y minus 1 whole square equal to constant. That is the solution of problem number 3. Problem number 3, exercise 80D. Third Roman problem 3. X plus y minus 1 whole square, 2x plus y minus 3 whole cube equal to C. Okay. 3 by v plus 2 plus 2 by v plus 1 dv equal to minus 5 dx by x. That implies 3 log v plus 2, 2 log v plus 1 equal to minus 5 log x plus constant log c. Log a plus log b log ab equal to log a by b. Okay. That means v means y by x plus 2 whole cube, y by x plus 1 whole square, log a minus log b by b. Now x cube LCM, x square LCM, x cube x square x power 5 cancel, remaining y plus 2x, y plus x. Here first capital small x equal to x plus h, small y equal to y plus k substitute చేసాం కదా. From that sentence capital X equal to x minus h, capital Y equal to y minus k. That is capital X equal to small x minus h. H means 2. Capital Y equal to small y minus k. K equal to minus 1. First we can solve these two equations anname across the h equal to 2, k equal to minus 1. Therefore capital X equal to x minus 2, capital Y equal to y plus 1. Therefore required equation is small x small y. That is the solution of given problem. Problem number 3. Solve x minus y minus 2 dx plus x minus 2y minus 3 dy equal to 0. X minus y minus 2 dx plus x minus 2y minus 3 dy equal to 0. That implies x minus y minus 2 dx equal to minus x minus 2y minus 3 dy. That implies dy by dx equal to x minus y minus 2 by minus x plus 2y plus 3. Non-homogeneous. A by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. Non-homogeneous. This is non-homogeneous. The a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. Therefore put y equal to x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k. Therefore dy by dx equal to d capital Y by d capital X equal to x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k minus 2 minus x plus h 2 into y plus k plus 3. That implies d by dx equal to x minus y h minus k minus 2 by minus x plus 2y minus h plus 2k plus 3. Constants becomes 0. That implies h minus k minus 2 equal to 0. Second one, minus h plus 2k plus 3 equal to 0. By solving we get h comma k. Solving minus 1 minus 2 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 h by minus 3 plus 4 k by 2 minus 3 1 by 2 plus 1 2 minus 1. That implies h equal to 1 k equal to minus 1. Therefore dy by dx becomes dy by dx equal to x minus y by minus x plus 2y. Okay, this is non-homogeneous differential equation with a by a dash is not equal to b by b dash. Therefore put x equal to x plus h, small y equal to y plus k. Therefore dx equal to d capital X, dy equal to d capital Y, dy by dx equal to x plus h y plus k, x plus h y plus k. Therefore constants becomes 0. Solving we get h comma k, h equal to 1 k equal to minus 1. Therefore given non-homogeneous differential equation converted to homogeneous differential equation. Next, from this y equal to vx, put y equal to vx. That implies dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx, v plus x into dv by dx, v plus x into dv by dx equal to, from equation 1, x minus y equal to vx minus x plus 2 into vx. That implies x into dv by dx equal to x cancel 1 minus v by minus 1 plus 2v minus v, x into dv by dx capital X here 1 minus v plus v minus 2v square by 2v minus 1 minus 2v square plus v, vv cancel, vv cancel. Therefore 2v minus 1 by 1 minus 2v square dv equal to dx by x, variable separable method. First of all, non-homogeneous differential equation converted to homogeneous differential equation. Next, homogeneous differential equation converted to variable separable method. Okay. Next, here h equal to 1, both sides, 2v minus 1 by minus common out 2v square minus 1 dv dx by x, that is minus 2v by minus 1 by 2 4v by 2v square minus 1 plus 1 by 2v square minus 1 dv dx by x, minus 1 by 2 4v by 2v square plus 1 dv, 2 common out, 1 by 2 v square minus 1 by 2 1 by root 2 whole square log x, okay, plus log c. That implies minus 1 by 2 f dash x by f of x, log mod f of x, 1 by 2 1 by x square minus x square 1 by 2a log v minus 1 by root 2 by v plus 1 by root 2 log cx. That implies minus 1 by 2 log 2v square 2y square by x square plus 1 root 2 1 by 2 root 2 log root 2v minus 1 by root 2v plus 1, LCMs cancel, log cx. Root 2v, v means y by x, v means y by x, here also v means y by x. Next, minus 1 by 2 log 2y square plus x square by x square plus 1 by 2 root 2 log root 2y minus x by root 2y plus x log cx. Next, x minus h, that implies x minus 1, capital Y equal to y minus k, that implies y plus 1. Substitute in the given equation, we get minus 1 by 2 log 2 into y plus 1 whole square x minus 1 whole square by x minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2 root 2 log root 2 into y plus 1 minus x minus 1 by root 2 into y plus 1 plus x minus 1 log constant c into x, x minus 1. That is solution of problem, third problem. Fourth problem, 2v minus 1 by 2v square minus 1, that is 2v by 2v square minus 1, multiplying and dividing with 2, 4v by 2v square minus 1 minus 1 by 2v square minus 1, f dash x by f of x model. Here 1 by 2 common out, 1 by x square minus a square model, 1 by integral 1 by x square minus a square dx equal to 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, this one 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a, this one dash x by f of x log mod f of x. Here v equal to y by x, v equal to y by x. Next step, capital X equal to x minus, starting point x equal to x plus h, y equal to y plus k, that implies capital X equal to x minus h, capital Y equal to y minus k, y plus 1, x minus 1. Already we get h equal to 1, k equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 this part. Okay, solution of given DE.